Yamaha xmax 250 SG 22 belt replacement. How you just said this stupid light? Easy, right? No. You press some buttons? No. Look at this shit. Look at this shit. You must remove the plastic. Look. Now you must lift it up and look at that piece of shit. You must remove this jumper cable to reset it. This, it's right here. Why can you just reset it via using this? This isn't... Okay, I figured it out. You put key in the ignition. It should be light flashing vbelt. And then, with ignition on, you disconnect this piece of shit for 5 seconds. And then you reconnect it and the light will go away. Yeah, we need to remove all that just to reset the light.